Basic, 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 basic. Arey, what is next after basic? This basic is so boring. Well, I know you guys must be thinking the same the way I am, because learning basic is quite spiritless. But yes, it is very important too, right? But you don't worry about this, because in the upcoming videos we will going to talk about so many new interesting stitches. But yes, before that we have to be on the same track. So welcome you all to my channel. My name is Sheetal, and in this video we are going to talk about 4th basic crochet stitch, that is half double crochet. Yes, so let's proceed towards the video. Yes, so make this half double crochet stitch. I've already created the chains. I will mention the link of chain stitch in the description box. You guys can go and check it out there. Is to make half double crochet, we have to create 2 more chains. Let's do it. This is chain 1 and this is chain 2. Okay, this is our working chain, the chain in the crochet. To make the half double crochet, we have to start our work from 3rd chain. So yarn over, insert the crochet in the 3rd chain, take the yarn out. Now we have 3 chains. Now we have to take the yarn out from all the 3 chains. Yes, so this is the procedure of half double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert the crochet in the next chain, take the yarn out like this. Now we have 3 loops. Take the yarn, take it out from all the 3 loops. Let me do it again for you. Yarn over, insert the crochet in the next chain, like this. Take the yarn out, and take it out from all the 3 loops. So this is the procedure of half double crochet. Let me complete this row for you all. See, so this row is completed. Only last stitch is left. Let me complete that also for you. See, so the same way I have completed the entire row. Now chain 2. After making 2 chains, you have to turn your work like this, and on every half double crochet you have to keep on making the half double crochet. See, I have started doing the same thing. Insert the crochet in the chain like this one, take the yarn out. Again we have 3 loops, and take the yarn out from all the 3 loops like this. Yarn over, insert the crochet in the next chain, take the yarn out like this. Now take the yarn out from remaining 3 chains. See, in the same way you have to complete the entire row. This is the 2nd row. See, so 2nd row is also completed. Only last step is left, last stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook in the last chain. See, this is the last chain, this one. Insert the hook in the last chain, take the yarn out like this, the way I am doing. Now yarn over and take the yarn out from all the 3 chains. So this is the pattern of double crochet stitch, and this is quite beautiful. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like the video. Do subscribe to my channel, share the video. If you have any query, so mention in the comments.